All right. This is Cinnamon Bear. Say hi, Cinnamon Bear. Say hi. I got this tree all done. It was a huge one. I had to wedge down there to get it because it was putting pressure. I had to put a wedge onto it to cut it in half. Cinnamon Bear! There's a Cinnamon Bear. There he is. So, and then down here, the other drive was blocked, but I burn wood anyway, so. I got all this tree cut up today. Yep. This one done. Actually, it was kind of a smaller tree and then a lot bigger one. Went way out there, way down to here. And you could see the woods is so green because we've had not that bad weather for it to have any frost to kill all these. These are stinger plants. And there's thistles and stinger plants. Come on, Cinnamon Bear. He's the color of cinnamon. Isn't he pretty? Come on. Wiggler. He wiggles when I pick him up, don't you? Say hi. He can't stand it. I don't want you to get lost. We got to go back this way. You're a wiggler. Cinnamon Bear's a wiggler. And he kicks too. Kicks like a mule. Come on, let's go. He's only 6 months old. That sure was a nice tree. I got one down there I cut up. It had the drive blocked that way. Down there. Cut that one up. And there's another tree here I cut up. But this tree I cut up yesterday. It was a long tree, real nice wood. See it? Yeah, pretty nice. So, I've got to go find Annie Marie Buffalo, Cinnamon Bear, make sure she's up at the house. I'm so glad I got this done. Cut it all with my steel chainsaw. MS-181C. And I used the chain that I had sharpened. This is Tommy T. Tired. Every year I cut wood every fall. In Indiana, United States. I'm going to have me a sandwich and just take it easy now. I'm not picking this up tonight. Boy, when I was younger, I used to cut and get the wagon and haul it. I don't know how I did so much. So this time I figured, well, I don't want to cut it tomorrow. I took a few breaks tighten the chain up a little and finish cutting these so I don't have to do it tomorrow or next week. Hallelujah, singing to ya. I love it. Actually, I actually have enough because I cut in August. I cut 2 trees up in August, and it's early this year for me. I actually have enough to burn all winter. This wood, I still got wood though from last year. I'll start to let this cure a little bit. But that tree, you know, it's pretty much isn't going to take it long to cure. The rest of all these. All right, this is time of tea. And I even brought my chair back. I took quite a few drink breaks. Enjoyed the woods. It's getting evening. Oh, mosquitoes, and they'll be coming out. I'm going to have to get up the house. I want to find my other kitten because she followed me all the way back here. I carried her part of the way up. And she wanted down real bad. I got to find her. I looked once for her up at the house. They can curl up and sleep, and you can't find them. So, what are you doing? There's a turtle over there, Cinnamon Bear. Look how cinnamon he is, and his eyes are awkward. His eyes are turquoise. Cinnamon Bear, you little crapper. Come here, and I got to round you guys up by night. By nightfall, don't we? Then I feed the raccoons. Cinnamon Bear. Kitty cat. Where'd you go? I even brought my old axe back. Had to get that wedge out. The wedge got stuck. There's the wedge. All right, signing off. That's enough. Enough. September, what is it, 14th, 2022. Tama T. Signing off. It's lovely. Have a lovely winter. Keep warm. I'll be sitting by the wood burner watching movies. Keeping warm.